be without the people we can't see? The ones who made life so much easier for people like you and me. Every time I flush a toilet or wash my hands, I think about the civil engineers and plumbers of this land. When I'm about to cross the street and the cars all stop, I wonder if they would without the traffic lights and cars. When I'm hungry, it's so easy to buy some food. Don't have to hunt or gather, only have to know my mood. Don't know the names of all the farmers, the pickers and the stalkers, the drivers, the buyers. I'm just a lucky shopper. My mood is gratitude. Ooh, 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 ooh. My mood is gratitude. Ooh, 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 ooh. I woke up in the middle of the night, flipped a switch on the wall and magically there was light. I wonder who installed the wires, the conduit too, hung the drywall on the studs with the drywall screws. Now I'm laying on my bed under a warm duvet, when just 100 years ago people would sleep on hay. Now we got central heating, air conditioning, internet too, refrigerators, elevators, all thanks to you. My mood is gratitude. Ooh, 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 ooh. My mood is gratitude. Ooh, 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 ooh. Where would we be without the people we can't see? The ones who made life so much easier for people like you and me.